Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about top 3 most expensive and ultra-rare Susan B. Anthony dollar coins from the United States that collectors are searching for right now. Many people think these coins are just normal $1 coins, but some rare examples have sold for thousands of dollars because of history, condition and mint errors. So before you spend your old dollar coins, make sure you watch this video till the end, because one of these coins could be hiding in your pocket. The first coin on our list is the 1979 D Mint Mark Susan B. Anthony dollar. Many people still have this coin at home and do not know that some examples can sell for much more than $1. Most coins are common, but the right condition or a small mint mistake can change the price completely. That is why collectors always check this coin carefully before spending it. Even today people are finding valuable pieces in old savings boxes, bank rolls and pocket change, so watching carefully until the end can help you understand what really makes this coin valuable. This coin was made at the Denver Mint in 1979. It was the first year the United States released a smaller dollar coin to replace the large Eisenhower dollar. The coin honors women's rights leader Susan B. Anthony, making it one of the most historic modern American coins. Because it looked close in size to a quarter, many people confused it with smaller coins and the public did not like using it very much. More than 288 million coins were produced in Denver during that year. Because of this large number, most coins you find today are very common. A normal circulated coin that shows wear from daily use usually sells for about $1 to $3. Some cleaner circulated examples may sell for around $4 or $5 depending on shine and detail. So in everyday condition this coin normally stays close to face value. But things start to change when condition improves. Coins that were never used and still keep their original mint shine are called uncirculated coins. These coins are graded by professional grading companies like PCGS or NGC. A coin graded MS63 or MS64 may sell today between $10 and $25. Higher grades like MS65 can reach $40 to $80 depending on market demand. When we move into very high grades such as MS66 or MS67, prices increase quickly. Recent collector sales show MS67 examples selling between $150 and $350 in today's market. These coins are difficult to find because very few survived without scratches or bag marks from storage at the mint. Collectors compete strongly for coins that look nearly perfect under magnification. Some near-perfect coins have sold at major auctions for more than $1,500 when I appeal and strike quality are exceptional. Auction prices change depending on demand, but strong certified examples continue to attract serious buyers who want the best possible condition for their collection. Now let's talk about the real reason some of these coins bring big money: mint errors. During coin production, machines sometimes make mistakes. These mistakes create rare varieties that collectors love because no two error coins look exactly the same. One known error is the clipped planchet, where part of the coin edge is missing because the metal sheet was cut incorrectly. Another popular error is an off-center strike, where the design is not properly aligned, leaving blank space on one side. Coins missing part of their outer metal layer, known as a missing clad layer error, can also sell for high prices because they appear with unusual color or weight. Small strike varieties and die errors also increase value. Depending on how strong the error appears, these coins can sell from $100 to $500 in today's collector market. Strong visible errors often sell between $800 and $2,000 at auction. In rare situations, a high-grade coin combined with a dramatic mint error can reach several $1,000s. Reports from past auction listings show exceptional examples selling close to $10,000 to $15,000 when rarity, condition and collector demand come together at the same time. Because of this, collectors always recommend checking the small D mint mark located above Susan B. Anthony's shoulder on the coin. A simple $1 coin may look ordinary, but careful inspection can reveal a valuable collectible hiding in plain sight. Next is the 1979 S Mint Mark Susan B. Anthony dollar, made in San Francisco. Many people see this coin and think it is just another $1 coin, but some examples are selling for hundreds and even thousands of dollars today. The value depends mainly on condition, mint type and small production errors. Some coins still sell for only $1 while rare high-quality pieces have reached almost $5,000 at auction, which is why collectors carefully check every S-Mint mark coin they find. This coin was produced at the San Francisco Mint in 1979. Unlike regular circulation coins, many of these were specially made for collectors. These collector coins are known as proof coins. Proof coins are struck using polished dies and special planchets, giving them very sharp details and bright mirror-like surfaces. When light reflects from the coin, the background looks shiny while the design appears frosted, making the coin look very attractive. Even though proof coins were made carefully, many still entered circulation over time. In normal used condition, a circulated 1979 S. Susan B. Anthony dollar usually sells between $1 and $5 today. Coins with heavy scratches or where normally stay close to face value because millions were produced for collectors and souvenir sets. When the coin is kept safe and never used, the value increases. Uncirculated coins with clean surfaces and strong shine can sell between $25 and $60 in today's market. Better preserved examples with stronger eye appeal may reach $100 or more. High-quality proof coins graded PR65 to PR67 often sell between $120 and $265 depending on clarity and contrast. Professional grading plays a big role in price. Coins graded by services like PCGS or NGC receive official condition numbers. The higher the grade, the rarer the coin becomes. Small marks that are hard to see with the naked eye can lower value quickly, which is why perfect coins are difficult to find. The real excitement starts with extremely high-grade examples. Coins graded MS68 or deep cameo proof condition are very rare because almost no flaws are allowed at this level. Recent auction records show top-quality examples selling close to $4,800 to $5,000 when collector demand is strong. These prices usually appear in major coin auctions where serious collectors compete for the finest known pieces. Error versions of this coin are even more exciting for collectors. Mint errors happen when something goes wrong during production. Because proof coins are made with extra care, error pieces are much harder to find, which increases their value. One popular error is the off-center strike. This happens when the coin blank moves during striking, causing part of the design to shift away from the center. Depending on how far the design moves, these coins can sell from $150 to over $1,000 in auctions. Strong off-center errors showing full dates are especially valuable. Another known error is the grease-filled die error. This occurs when grease blocks part of the die, causing missing letters or weak design areas. These coins may sell between $50 and $300 depending on visibility of the mistake. Collectors also search for missing clad layer errors. Susan B. Anthony dollars normally have layered metal construction. When one layer is missing, the coin appears dull or copper-colored and weighs less than normal. Verified examples have sold between $400 and $1,200 depending on condition and certification. One of the most famous varieties is the Type 2 Clear S-Mint mark proof. On this version, the S-Mint mark appears sharp and well-defined instead of blurry. This small difference makes a big impact in value. Type 2 proof coins commonly sell between $150 and $500 today, while perfect deep cameo examples have reached much higher auction prices. Market value always changes with collector demand, but strong certified coins continue to perform well. Many collectors focus on eye appeal, clean mirrors and strong contrast when choosing which coin to buy. Even small improvements in condition can double or triple the selling price. Because of these factors, collectors carefully inspect the mint mark area under magnification. The small s below the date can turn an ordinary dollar into a collectible coin worth far more than face value. So never ignore an S-Mint mark coin. The third coin is the 1980 S-Mint mark Susan B. Anthony dollar. Many people still own this coin but do not realize that some examples are worth far more than $1 today. While most pieces remain common, the right condition or a rare mint mistake can increase the price quickly. Some coins sell for only face value while others have reached hundreds or even more than $1,000 at auction. Because of this wide price range, collectors always check this coin carefully before spending it or adding it to circulation. This coin was produced at the San Francisco Mint in 1980. By this time public interest in using dollar coins had already dropped because many people preferred paper money. Stores and banks did not widely use the Susan B. Anthony dollar, so large numbers were saved instead of being spent. Even though public demand was low, collectors continued buying proof sets directly from the mint, which helped preserve many coins in excellent condition. The 1980s coins were mostly made as proof coins. Proof coins are struck using special polished dies and carefully prepared metal blanks. This process gives the coin sharp details, bright mirror backgrounds and frosted designs. When viewed under light, the coin looks very clean and shiny compared to normal circulation coins. Because of this careful production, proof coins are popular among collectors even today. In normal circulated condition, a 1980s Susan B. Anthony dollar usually sells between $1 and $3. Coins showing light wear may reach around $5, while slightly better preserved pieces sometimes sell close to $10. These prices represent current everyday market values where supply remains high and many coins still exist. Uncirculated coins that were never used are worth more. Coins kept inside proof sets or protective holders often remain in excellent shape. Average proof coins graded PR63 or PR64 may sell between $15 and $40 today. Cleaner coins graded PR65 or PR66 often sell between $50 and $120 depending on surface quality and mirror shine. Professional grading companies such as PCGS and NGC examine coins closely using magnification. They check for scratches, spots or small marks that reduce quality. A higher grade means fewer flaws, and higher grades usually bring stronger prices in the collector market. Beautiful proof coins in near perfect condition can sell between $150 and several $100s. Coins graded PR67 or PR68 with strong visual appeal are harder to find because even proof coins can develop small marks during storage. Collectors often compete for these higher grade pieces, especially when mirrors are clean and designs look sharp. The most valuable examples are deep cameo proof coins. Deep cameo coins show very strong contrast between the frosted portrait and the mirror background. These coins are rare because perfect contrast must survive for many years without damage. Current auction sales show deep cameo examples reaching $400 to $800 depending on certification and demand. Rare top-grade deep cameo coins have crossed the $1,000 mark in major collector auctions. These prices usually appear when the coin has almost no visible flaws and receives one of the highest possible proof grades. Auction value can change each year, but premium examples continue attracting serious collectors looking for the best quality coins. Mint errors also increase value greatly. Even though proof coins are made carefully, mistakes still happen during production. Off-center strikes, doubled designs or missing metal layer errors are among the most collected varieties. Minor proof errors may sell between $100 and $300, while stronger visible mistakes have sold from $500 to over $1,000 depending on rarity and appearance. Condition remains the most important factor when pricing this coin. A scratched, cloudy or worn coin usually stays near face value because collectors prefer clean surfaces. Fingerprints, cleaning marks or damage can reduce price quickly. On the other hand, a flawless coin stored safely from the beginning becomes highly collectible and much more valuable in today's market. Because many 1980 proof coins were saved, finding average examples is easy, but locating perfect coins without marks is much harder. This difference between common condition and perfect preservation explains why prices range from $1 to more than $1,000. Careful inspection of the small s mint mark and overall surface quality helps collectors decide whether a coin is ordinary or a valuable collectible piece. Some $1 coins become worth thousands because only a few survive in perfect condition. Some have mint errors and collector demand keeps increasing every year. Even though millions were made, very few coins remain flawless today. That is why grading is very important, especially coins graded MS67 to MS70. Before spending any Susan B. Anthony dollar, always check the year, mint mark and possible errors, because an ordinary $1 coin could be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share the channel for more rare coin videos. Also tell us in the comments if you have ever found a valuable coin in your pocket change. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.